In a peaceful green village, there lived a white hen named Chumki. She was calm, hardworking, and loved her simple life in the yard. On a mango tree nearby lived a green parrot named Mitho. He was cheerful, talkative, and dreamed of adventures beyond the village. Every day, Mitho talked about mountains, rivers, and forests. Chumki listened with curiosity but also fear. You should see the world, Mitho said. I'm happy here, Chumki replied softly. One morning, Mitho spoke about a magical forest with a shining spring. Chumki's heart began to race. What if we get lost? She asked. We'll face it together, Mitho replied. Before sunrise, they started their journey. Chumki walked carefully on the ground, while Mitho guided her from the sky. Fox appeared near the forest. Chumki trembled, but Mitho shouted loudly. The fox ran away. Chumki learned the power of courage. They found an injured rabbit. Chumki shared her food, and Mitho called for help. The rabbit smiled. Friendship is the greatest strength. The forest was loud at night. Chumki was scared, but Mitho stayed by her side. At sunrise, they reached the beautiful spring. Flowers bloomed, water sparkled, and happiness filled their hearts. I learned that seeing the world is important, Chumki said. But home is precious too. Mitho nodded. And I learned that adventure needs care and friendship. They returned home wiser and braver. Their bond was stronger than ever. True adventure is not just about exploring places, but about courage, kindness, and friendship.